Hi guys, this is Arlo here, and I'm just showing you from the previous video what I was talking about. I've got a multiplex 5070 small form factor PC, and this is my system. I've got Windows 11 Pro. I had to go back and put in a studio driver instead of the latest drivers, as most of the latest drivers go for games. This is my CPU, which is old, with 32 gigs of RAM, just under a terabyte of SSD, and over a terabyte of HDD, and I have a Quadro P1000. As you can see, the driver, there's a new driver came out, but that's mostly all for stuff I'm not using. I just use mine for editing, not for gaming. But I'll show you, this is what I have in PowerDirector 25 Ultimate. Of all these, can screen recorder voice, got a tried a few. The only way I got this fixed after hours messing about and my CPU being nearly 100%, I had to go into my NVIDIA control panel and go to programs and start put this all into auto select and whatever, and it seems to work. Everything, if I don't push too many transitions and other things, motion tracking and all that door into the PowerDirector, everything's smooth as anything. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this, don't worry, it is quicker, but I don't know what's going on. It's because maybe I'm recording as well, and you just import your files and stuff like that there, and you've titles, transitions, effects, overlays, subtitles, templates, intros and outros, you know. So, and if I'll put in I'll throw in a sample video, and I'll do this, and I can just edit video. I can do motion tracking, magic cut, color, freeze, possibly blended modes, and do keyframes and whatever else. So that's all I wanted to show you. This is what I'm up against, and I'm still learning, so hopefully you can see a better video for the next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.